Aibo, we guys, aibo. Bese nimbonile Dominic. Bese nimbonile na uDominic. Hayi mungakamboni, oh, ngicela uhambe uyomsesha. Uvele wathi cha nganza kwethu. Angifuni imbalabala mina. Angifuni imbalabala mina ngizothinyelwa zinyosi no. Ngifuna imvunu. Yo. Haibo. It's fine. Uyabona into engiyihappy. Angiboni ukuthi khona umuntu ohappy njengami. Angiboni ukuthi khona umuntu ohappy njengami. Uyabona njengamanje uDominic Savile wangenzela usuku lwami. Ngishaya izandla. My angel, I shame. Ngibukela kuwena mina wathi nje ngemali yakho leyo onayo wathi nje lutho ngifuna vunulo.
Viva, viva Congo! Viva, viva Congo! Viva, viva Congo! Viva, viva Congo! Viva, viva Uganda! Viva, viva Uganda! Viva, viva Uganda! Viva, viva Uganda! Viva, viva Sudan! Viva, viva Sudan! Viva, viva Sudan! Viva, viva Sudan! No pride in genocide! No pride in genocide!
I inherited it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ususela omkhulu umsindo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana Dominic ngemva kokuthi bambone agqoka imvunulo yakwaZulu. So yesterday bekuyi-Pride lapha eJohannesburg and abantu abaningi bebagqoka impahla embalabala. Alokusho wona ukuthi bakhombisa ukuthi bona ba-proud ngokuthi ba-part of the LGBTQA+ community. And uDominic ke yena wadecide ukuthi cha athi mina ngicula imvunulo iyakwaZulu because batongendani ngizwe and labanye bakhona labanye nabo bagqoke imvunulo sibonile bobhuti lababili nabo bayavela lapha nabagqoke imvunulo nabo. So bayakhombisa ke ukuthi angeke sizwe ngani cabanga, bayasho nje cha angeke nje bona baze beve ngebantu labathi ngeke baze bayigqoka imvunulo abangayigqoka imvunulo bathi siyoyigqoka naku siyabona bayigqokile. People who are part of the LGBTQIA community bajabulile ngemva kokuthi babone Dominic agqoka imvunulo basho ukuthi cha uyinkosi yedidabane. Bamjabulela bathi le ndwa kwelayenti le yinhle ku-right yabalaya ngizwe was found shaking, but some people are not really happy about what Dominic did and people were saying ukuthi cha besingekho njena sidingo sokuthi uziyogqoka imvunulo wona. You are really trying to prove a point every time wena ufuna sihlale sikhuluma ngawe, ufuna kubukwa, uthanze attention. Bawati kahle nje ukuthi uma ungagqoka imvunulo abantu bayokhuluma ngawo because you're gonna piss a lot of people off. Some people are saying ukuthi njena uyathelela Dominic why naye angazange agqoke leti impahla tembalabala kungani asachoose ukugqoka imvunulo because ufuna ukuthi kukhulunywe ngaye, uhlala afuna trenda, ufuna ahlala relevant. So people are just saying nje ukuthi cha uyathanda nje wena Dominic kubukwa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.